Hello everyone, we are presenting a case study video on oral medication. Oral medication refers to taking medication by mouth and includes buccal administration and sublingual administration. Arrange all the articles near the patient. We need medication cart, medication tray, small plastic cup, glass of water, calibrated disposable cups, mortar and pestle, scissor, kidney tray, paper towel, etc. Before procedure, assess for any contraindications. Then determine patient's preference and physician order for fluid restriction if any. Prepare the needed supplies and articles. During the procedure, check medication card with the physician written order for accuracy, completeness, etc. Check patient's name of drug, dose, route and time of administration. Clarify any doubt. Then we need to wash our hands. Arrange the medication tray in nurse's station. Prepare medication of one patient at a time, keeping medication card and form together. Select correct drug container from stock while checking label with the name of drug in medication card and expiry date. Calculate correct drug dose. Take time and double check the calculation. For tablets, pour required number of bottle into bottle cap and transfer to medication cup. Do not touch with fingers. Extra tablets may be returned to bottle. For packaged tablets, place packaged tablet directly over cup and remove without touching it. Check medication before removing from bottle or strip. Place all tablet to be given at the same time in one cup. If patient has difficulty in swallowing, grind tablets in a mortar with pestle. Crush it to a fine powder and mix it with small amount of water. Then administer the drug. Take medication to patient at correct time. Identify patient by comparing name on card with the name patient given when asked. Perform necessary pre-administration assessment for specific medication. Explain to patient the medication to be given and allow patient to clarify the doubt. Assist patient in sitting or side-lying position. Administer the drug properly. Ask if patient wishes to hold medication in a cup before placing in mouth. Administer only one drug at a time. Offer a glass of water with the drug to be administered. Place medication under tongue and allow it to dissolve completely in case of sublingual administered medication. Caution patient against swallowing. Instruct patient to place the medication in mouth. Again check cheeks until it dissolves completely in case of buccal administration.